received a call from an anonymous subscriber who had a huge problem. She told us that weird noises have been coming from the cupboard under the stairs. So we decided to head over and check it out, and what we found will truly shock you. Use STALKER Elixir and purchasing Robux, and now enjoy the video. We are back in Roblox BROOKHAVEN. You guys probably already know him by now, but yep, I'm with Rami Dino, the disgusting squid. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, one of my subscribers has reached out to me and said that they could really do with our help right about now. So, that is why we're here today, to help them out. And if you also would help us, then I need all of you watching to hit the like button and subscribe button underneath this video so we can stop all of the crazy things that keep happening inside of this game. And according to my sat-nav, we should be arriving in any second, right? About now. That's right, Rami Dino. This is the property. That's right, Rami Dino. It looks like we finally arrived right now. And wait a minute. This girl is very different looking than she looked in the photo. I thought she had black hair. Anyways, this is the address. So let's give a knock right now and see if they are inside. Here we go. Yep, she just opened the door and slammed it straight into my face. Ow!
Hello! Thank you for taking the time to come!
That is no problem at all.
Please, come in!
Okay, Rami Dino, is the camera rolling?
Maybe.
Well, can you check if it is?
Yes, it is.
Okay, perfect. Let's head inside of our home. Oh my goodness, I just slammed the door on his face. Rami, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Yep, and now he's crying. Okay, anyway, we've come here today to speak to this lady, aka Alexa. That's right, Alexa. What seems to be the problem?
So, I bought this house recently.
Okay.
And within a week's time, I started hearing strange noises and weird things started happening.
Wait, what do you mean, strange noises? What are you talking about?
I noticed strange noises near the cupboard.
Okay, well, have you actually taken a look inside of the cupboard to see if there's anything inside of there? That's right, I am a literal genius.
Yeah?
And what did you find, huh?
There is never anything when I look, but I can tell something is there.
Okay, well, if you don't mind, can I take a quick look inside of that cupboard?
Please, come with me.
Okay, Rami, make sure you got that camera rolling. We need to see if there's anything inside.
In here.
Okay, Alexa, take a step back. Here goes nothing. Boom! It appears there is nothing inside. Okay, well, here's what we're gonna do, Alexa. We're actually gonna put a ton of cameras around your house. And that way we can monitor what is going on inside of here from outside in our van in the street. Is that okay with you?
That seems fine.
Okay, Rami Dino, you know what to do. Start placing those cameras.
Boom.
Rami, are you copying what I'm saying?
Say.
Rami, can you please stop copying what I'm saying? And could you please put cameras around the house?
House.
Oh, are you kidding me? Okay, well, before we go and set up the cameras, do you mind if I go and use the bathroom?
Not at all. It's just up there on the right.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Thank you so much. Wait, Rami! Why are you following me?
It's my job.
It's not your job to film me, pee-pee, Rami. Please go and put the cameras around the house. Seriously. Okay, guys, please look away from the screen. You do not want to see this. And here we go. Let's just flush like that. And now, always remember to wash your hands. That's right. Here we go. Washing my hands. What? Wait. What was that? Did you guys see that? There was something in that mirror. Wait, is this one of those weird mirrors of someone on the other side? Wait, there is no other side. Okay, well, maybe I'm just seeing things. Okay, well, Mr. Rami Dino, please tell me that you put all of the cameras around the house right now. Well, he's nodding at me, so I'm gonna take that as a yes. And with everything set up, Rami, I think it's time for us to go and chill in our van outside and watch on the computer. Oh, wait, are you taking a business call, Rami? I am so sorry. Please tell me when you're done. Okay, yes.
Yes, Mom. I bought an extra pair of diapers.
Okay, seriously, I have no idea what he was just doing on the phone, but yeah, I think we should go out now. Okay, well, excuse me, Alex or Alexa? Hello? Yeah, we're gonna go and sit out in the van right now. You can go to bed, and we're gonna monitor the video, and we'll see if we see anything on the cameras. Trust me, we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Mark my words!
Okay, I'm so tired. Good night.
Okay, thank you, Alexa, and we will see you in the morning. That's right, where is our van? Oh, Rami Dino is in there. Is he making a business call? Anyway, I'm getting in the back, because ladies and gentlemen, this is where we will be doing our monitoring from. So we're doing professional operations in here. Let me just get my laptop out real quick. Okay, well, Rami Dino, keep your eyes peeled. We need to make sure that nothing happens in that house to that girl while she is under our watchful eyes. Let's listen to some tunes. Okay, Rami, just make sure they're nice and quiet. And yeah, I'm gonna monitor the CCTV. I don't want anything to happen to Alexa while she is under our watchful eyes. That's right. This is gonna be a really, really long night. Ugh. Wait, what is that? Rami, what is that noise?
It's my music.
No, Rami, not your music. Sounds like it's coming from the laptop. Let's check this out. Okay, so here we go. Let's check around and see if anything is suspicious in this house. Okay, there she is, sleeping sound and tight or snug like a bug in a rug. And it looks like there's nothing else going on. Can we get an angle of the cupboard under the stairs? Okay, it looks like this is our best angle right now, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, I can hear that sound. Okay, I don't see anything quite yet. Oh, wait a minute. The door is opening. The door is opening under the stairs. Rami, quick. Rami, quick. Somewhere inside of this house, something is happening. Okay, Rami, get the camera on. I'm gonna check underneath here right now. Ah! There's something in there. Come out now with your hands up. What is this?
Don't worry, child. You are safe with your dad.
Wait, excuse me, madam, sir. Who are you talking to? Wait, what is this? What is wrong with your face?
My skin tickles.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing in this lady's house? You need to leave immediately or we're gonna call the police. Rami, pick the camera up. We need the footage. Wait. Rami, what? Please tell me you just saw that.
I'm scared. Come out wherever you are.
Wait, Rami, let's put our backs together to make sure she can't sneak up on us. Let's try, Rami. She could be around here anywhere. Oh, I don't like this. Wait, maybe we should go and check on Alexa upstairs. Let's go check if she's okay. Alexa, are you okay? Oh my goodness. Rami, she's gone.
What-mo? Are we gonna get fired?
Rami, we work for ourselves, but we need to find Alexa. Oh, this is bad. This is real bad, guys. Okay, well, listen, Rami, there is no evidence of us in this house right now. So, I mean, technically, we could just leave and nobody would ever know what happened here.
The cameras.
That's right, Rami, the cameras. Go grab all the cameras and I'll get the ones downstairs. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, I am super duper confused. As you can see, I'm sweeping up right now to try and get rid of any of the footsteps that could be evidence.
What are you doing?
Rami, I'm sweeping up the evidence. What does it look like I'm doing? We don't want to get caught.
Not you!
Then, Rami, if you're not talking to me, who are you talking to?
Behind you!
Huh? What?
My skin is tickling.
Rami, run!
Mamma mia!
Let's go! What even was that thing? Oh my goodness. Rami, I'll text Alexa in the morning and we'll find out if she's okay. But right now, I just want to get the heck out of here. But yes, guys, that is going to be it from me today. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? As you guys can see, there are 2 videos on the screen right now. This one is creepy. This one is happy. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. And now for a message from our sponsor, Roblox.
We'll eat your chicken.